Good morning, everybody. Really nothing new today. It is more decimal division. All the rules stay the same. The book takes you step by step, kind of like introducing each new piece, which is kind of a pain, but gives you lots of chance to practice, which I do like. So today what the book wanted to point out is, what do you do when you have a whole number divided by a decimal? Well, you move it to the wall and up. It stays the same every time. So we start out here. Here's our decimal. We move it to the wall. That means we have to jump 2 spaces. But uh-oh, there's no decimal here. Oh golly, what do we do? I can't see the decimal. It's always at the end. It is right there. So now I can move it 2 spaces. Uh-oh, I have empty spaces. What the heck do I do with that? Well, you fill them in with zeros. Now we have 28,100 divided by 5. If you want, go ahead and rewrite that. Some people just don't like the other stuff in their way. That's our problem. Or you can do it here. You can cross out these zeros. These zeros no longer matter, and you can go for it. But everything else is the exact same. 5 goes into 2. Nope. 5 goes into 28. Yep, 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract, I get 3. Bring down. 5 goes into 31 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract, I get 1. Bring down. 5 goes into 10. 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract. There is still a 0 to bring down. If you bring down, you have to divide. 5 goes into 0. 0 times. Oh, I never moved my decimal straight up. That is it. That's all there is to it. There's really nothing new today. So let's just do another one. Let's do 376 divided by 0.2. So again, move it to the wall. This guy's hiding. Move it over. You got an empty space. Fill it with a 0. Now the decimal comes up. Now it's just 3,760 divided by 2. 2 goes into 3 one time. Subtract, we get 1. Bring down the 7. It's still divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. 2 goes into 17 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract, we get 1. Bring down the 6. 2 goes into 16. 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract. Bring down the 0. If I bring down, I have to divide. 2 goes into 0. 0 times. Just looking at this, you should see, wow, my answer can't be 188. That really looks weird. Also, if you just think about it from a logical point of view, if I had 3,760 pieces of candy and only 2 people wanted some, does it make sense that each person would only get 188 pieces? So these are ways to figure out, hey, you know what? I maybe made a mistake here somewhere. I brought the 0 down. If we bring down, you have to go back up and divide. 2 goes into 0, 0 times. Now everything looks right. I don't have this huge space between the 8 and the 0. It just looks so beautiful that way. All right, that is it. Short and sweet. You guys can go ahead and get started. You have 7-5 tonight. Here is your answer key to the practice. And here is your answer key for the... Oh, sorry. This was reteach. This is practice. Duh. And go ahead and skip number 16. Skip that one. For some reason, your book is lame. All right.